Okay, welcome back mga sir. May bago tayong mission. Para tayo sa kabilang kalawakan para tapusin ang mission na binigay sa atin. So, isang kasama natin, pinakawalan dahil wala namang kwenta kaya kahit mamatay yan, isang mabagsik.
Prisoners, step forward onto the platform.
Ayan, sa planetang Marsara tayo. Okay.
Backwater Station is the center of Dominion logistics on Marsara. Destroying Dominion authority
Okay.
here will cripple Emperor
So,
Meng's operations throughout the planet.
ito yung isang mission natin. Bibigyan tayo ng instruction para advance.
Dominion forces have set
Sundan
up
niyo lang ako
logistics
para walang
headquarters
maligaw.
in the town
Mga
of
sir.
Backwater Station. This has become the hub for all operations on Marsara. The Dominion recently pulled troops out of the city and they are now under strength.
Are the locals cooperating?
The people of Backwater Station are known to be anti-Dominion, but they lack weapons and organization.
If I can take that headquarters away from Mengsk, it'll cripple him on this planet. Prep my ship.
So, Liberation Day. Tawag sa mission na to. Liberation Day. Ba.
All right, boys. Let's show the locals they don't need to fear the Dominion.
Ganyan lang, Commander. Okay. So, walang paligaw.
Talk to me.
Kalatag ng mapa.
You can count on me.
Commander, there are tutorial videos awaiting your review.
Yung patay niyang aso. Gabay natin dyan.
Carnival's wide.
Bakit
Your
bahay
eyes
ang
open
aso
and
na
your
yan?
ass is covered. Let's move.
Sige, diretso
Time
lang.
to man up.
So, may tips tayo. Yan. Alam natin ang gagawin natin. Go, 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 go. Nasa.
You can count on me.
Don't go up that road.
Ang mission natin ay i-destroy yung headquarters ng kalaban. Ayan, may tagabantay na. Huwag yung kalabaw. Diyan sa matanda yan. Pero pwede nating katayin yung matanda muna bago yung kalabaw.
Commander, destroying the Dominion holoboards will help incite rebellion against the Dominion.
Sige, barilin nyo na. Baril. Yan, barilin mo na yan. Yan. Para walang tagabantay ng kalabaw nila.
Mengsk space. Blast it.
Attack. Yan yung mission natin. Destroy the headquarters. Ito yung matandang makulit. Go. Yan, kailangan maapak tayo doon.
Where is everyone?
Ingat lang mga bro.
My neighbors. My
Body.
This is starting to look ugly.
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about.
Yan.
Thanks for the assist.
Oh, may tagabantay ng kalabaw na naman. Yan. Barilin nyo yan. Para pagbalik natin, makuha natin yung kalabaw niya. Attack.
You can count on me.
Ingat lang, ingat. May tangke sila sa unahan.
There's the locals. You'll all be given
Ready.
a meal when you
Lock and
reach
load.
site. My brother went off to the mine last week.
Survey muna natin.
Disappeared.
Sus,
got a runner.
tumakbo.
Civilians.
Atak na, atak na, atak na, atak. Baka ubusin nila yung hostage nila. Yung tangke. Yung matanda.
Mengsk has a lot.
Nagbabantay ng kalabaw yan.
Thank you, Rainer. We knew you wouldn't forget us.
Okay.
There's more people still being held up
Okay,
ahead.
sige. Sa likod lang kayo.
I'll see to them.
Sa likod. Ito yung headquarters nila. Papasok na tayo. Yung matanda. Patayin niyo muna. Nagbabantay ng kalabaw yan.
Marshal Rainer. Been a while since we saw you around here.
Yan. Atak. Likod kayo. Mga sibilyan.
You can count on me.
Sa likod.
Sounds like
This is a restricted area.
Left, bro.
We got your back.
Saray. Atak. Standby lang. Groupings. Nice one. Sirain ng base ng kalaban. Nice one. Nice.
We could fight them, but we can't.
Okay.
now you've got the weapons and the resources to do it. Remember, Mengsk can only
Basta
control you
mission.
if you let him.
Okay. Uwi muna ako sa Earth. Kailangan ko uminom ng gin.